I have been using these undercounter lights for a few months now and thoroughly satisfied. Just wanted to show you the end product before we go through the installation video. Got it up under here, and the ones that I have this brightness control from 25% to 100%. You can actually switch it off right here. I've got these hardwired into the switch around the corner for the wall switch, and then we've got a temperature right here. Some lights come with that, some of them don't. I liked having the choice. We actually purchased one that didn't have that first, and it was way too bright for us. They're working great, and here's the video on how I installed them. Welcome to Under the Counter. I've already begun disassembling one of the 4 lights we're going to change today, and I've shattered a bulb, so, you know, we're breaking things in over here. These guys, there's not much to them. They had 2 screws going up into the counter, and then 1 screw going back that way. And then these wires, you want to make sure they're not live, that you disconnect those.
In terms of complexity, this really is a simple project. You're unscrewing the fixture from your counter. You're basically unraveling these wires just so you can actually pull that thing out. Then you're pushing it back through the new assembly like this. And this one actually comes with these push connectors, so you don't have the screw-on wire caps at all. You just push it into place, it locks into place, you're good to go. And for the astute eye, I actually put this on upside down in this video right here. So I had to actually undo this and flip it around to actually screw it into place. So just make sure your orientation is correct when you're getting this, or you'll have to do it twice. Cram everything back into place here. This is kind of one of the hardest parts. It's just not a lot of space in there, but these little panels will click into place. And then it's got a couple little screws that you put in on the ends that holds it further into place once you've got everything situated. So screw those in, and then, as I said before, make sure the orientation of the entire fixture is correct so that you can screw it into the counter itself. Once you do that, then that's all there is to it. I think I used only 2 screws on either side here, maybe 1 in the middle. I think it's just 2 though, and it attaches super solidly. The thing's not heavy, so it doesn't take a lot. And there it is. I love it.